U-Shin Showa 6 pins, borrowed from Retep. Can't remember. I think there's these all like kind of spoolie. You really have to, you know, they respond pretty well, like a spool. But when you get to the tail end of, especially on the really high lifts, you really have to almost let off all of the tension to get them up there, and then you don't know you're set until you check, put tension back on. But there we go. Let's see. And I haven't got these yet, so we'll see how that goes for us. Yeah, I'll just come out the back. I think it's just a pin tumbler, so hopefully it will not blow up on me. Chilling.
Are you looking at me? Don't get your jammies.
I should have started this a little earlier into bath time. I'm not going to shim this, I don't think. It doesn't look like there's anything back there. Hopefully I don't regret this, Retep. Okay. Alright, woohoo! Nice, it wasn't a disaster yet. Okay. Awesome, here we are. Yeah, I'll just do it right there. Torpedo key pin, torpedo key pin, torpedo key pin. This takes a little bit because with all these torpedoes, you know, you can really feel like you're getting some action if when you overset. And it's, you know, it's not impossible to overset by any means. So looks like there is some overmilling on there. Maybe just a little taper. Spool. Standard. Oh, ball bearing. Oh, I think. Oh, looks like there's just a. We'll put it right there. That is just on the side for, it must be for biasing. There. Let's get these springs out. And the baby for biasing there. I presume. I didn't actually look on that to see if there was a detent for that, but I assume that there is. Yeah, right there. Okay. And we'll go this way in the last two. Yeah. This is a very fun lock. Those high lifts are super duper high and very hard to make sure you get them. So all the way up there, they'll get hung up. I assume in that a little bit of overmilling there. And yes, it's a very fun lock, borrowed from Red Tap. And a little bit of family fun in the background too. So I'll zoom you in there and see those. Can I go any closer? Can't go any closer. There we go. All right. Maybe I'll get them. Bring them up to you. Hopefully you can see them a little bit better. Yeah, right there. Nice. Those spool pins give you quite a bit of action. And then with those, I guess mostly with that one, they really get hung up. Trying to get it up there at the end. So, thank you.